Hello, dear students. Once again, I'm back with the grammar section of a sample paper. So, today we are going to solve the questions from the grammar section. That means section B, grammar and creative writing skills. Okay, in this video, I'm not going to cover creative writing skills because I have already covered the letter writing part. And the upcoming videos, I will try to cover analytical paragraphs as well. But in this video, we are going to learn the grammar portion. Okay, so first of all, complete any 10 of the following 12. Okay, that means you are to attempt any 10, okay, in which you are 100% sure. First attempt those 10. So without wasting time, let's start the first question. Here it is about fill in the blank by using the correct form of the word in the bracket for the given portion of an email. So this is the portion of an email. You will find in this email, see, this is the keyword that is telling us that this is going to be happen in future. Okay, going to happen in future time is aane wala jo time hai. So you will find in this email a brochure that. Now here we are to use means generally. Okay, we are to tell generally which brochure that presents. That means this is the singular subject of brochure. So we are to use singular verb. So that presents the various tourist attractions in our city aimed at boosting local tourism. Okay. Now the second question is error correction. The easiest one in this sample paper. So the statement is or sentence is she don't like chocolate ice cream. So she don't. Here is the error. With she, that is the singular subject, we always use does not. So don't, that is the error, and doesn't, that is the correction. Next is of reported speech. Suppose if you have means learn subject verb agreement and reported speech thoroughly, then also you will be means sure about 5 marks at least, because 2 questions may be of subject verb agreement and 3 questions may be of reported speech. Now see the next question, that is read the conversation between the hostess and the customer. Complete the sentence by filling in the blank based on the conversation. Hostess, wonderful to see you again, sir. Then customer, thanks, I couldn't resist your delicious food. So the customer responded that, right? What was the response? This one is the response. I could not resist your delicious food. So I is the first person change according to customer. He could not will remain same. Could not, then resist will also remain the same. Your second person according to the hostess, that's resist his or her delicious food. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Next, once again of reported speech, Rashi, have you encouraged others to volunteer? Ratul, absolutely. But means first read the question and then find out which portion we are to change. We are to change Rashi asked Ratul. That means with this part. So no need to be tensed about this portion because this one is already done. We have to change only this one. Rashi asked Ratul. So first of all, this is a question. So we need to check if we have to use if or not. So here the question is beginning with have, that is a helping verb. So we are to use if. So the answer would be Rashi asked Ratul if. Then we will solve the person. We will change the person first. You is the second person, changing according to Ratul. So he has have changed into had. If he had, the rest of the sentence will remain the same. Encouraged others to volunteer. So only 3 words, these 3 words, if we know how to change these 3 things, so then we will get 1 mark for sure. Okay. This question is of MCQ. So if or whether both can be used in the interrogative. So here we have to find out the correct option, whether he had. So you can see in the first option it is he encouraged, then he encouraged, then he is encouraged, then he had encouraged. So B is the correct answer. Okay. Next one is fill in the blank by choosing the correct option. This is of determiners. Attached are the departmental performance reports. Reports, this means this is plural. And dash should be reviewed by each departmental head. So these, okay, these should be reviewed by each department head. Next, sixth question is the means error correction. The 2020 research study pay attention to the relationship between high levels of stress and employee productivity. So as I already told you in the last video, first try to find out the words in which we can make the changes. The this 2020 research study, then attention, the relationship, high levels of stress, and employee productivity. So these words we can't change, but now we have to check the rest of the ones here. Between, that is correct one because the comparison is between two. Okay, these are also correct. Now we need to check this. So first see this pay, this is plural verb, and the research study, that is singular. So here is the error. The error is pay and the correction is pays. Next, once again error correction, but we have to choose the correct option. The campaign encourages, now see, the campaign encourages, this one is correct, parents to reducing screen time for their children. So I told you in the last video, with to we always use first form. So here it is reducing, that is the error. The correction would be reduce. So C is the correct option. Next one is complete the given narrative by filling in the blank with the correct option. The chance to mentor a group of unprivileged students help me dash the educational disparities in our society. So help me understanding, help me understood, help me may understand, or help me to understand. So this is the correct option because these things help me to understand the another thing. Okay, so C is the correct answer. See the next one, ninth question. This is of reported speech. First, vendor, we are to report the dialogue. Are you feeling all right today? So this part is already done. So customer, this part we are to change. Yes, responded positively. So yes is also changed. I am doing much better than before. So this one we are to change. So I am, I first person change according to the subject. It becomes he. Am change into was, is am are change into was were. He was, then remain the rest of the sentence it would remain the same. He was doing much better than before. So only two changes and we will get 1 mark. Question number 10. Fill in the blank by choosing the correct option to complete the live feed. See, here is the keyword. This is the live feed. Okay, means like a commentary. In a miraculous turns of events, the Sunview School hockey team dash the championship trophy. That means this is a live feed. So we need to check whether it is means present tense options are there or not, or just recent past. So has been lifting, this is not correct because we need since or for with it. So since and for are not given. So first option is wrong. Had lifted, this is of past perfect, this is also wrong. Will lift, this is of future, this is also wrong. So C is the correct option, that is referring to the recent past. Okay, so in a miraculous turn of events, the Sunview School hockey team lifted the championship trophy. Next one, complete the line from a song. So this is a very common question now because we have practiced so many questions of such type. In the night, the stars, that is plural verb. So shine, this is a plural verb. Okay, so this one is the correct option. No need to check another options and other options because we clearly know that this question is subject verb agreement, and stars, that is the plural verb. So we need to check plural verb. So V1 is the plural verb. So shine is the correct option. Next, last question. Once again, similar to the last sample paper's last question. The study examines. Now identify the error. So the study examines. This one is correct because study is singular. Examines is also singular. The relation of, okay, the relation of this word carbon emissions, these we can't change, and global warming. So once again, here is the error, because we are talking about the relation between two things, carbon emissions and global warming. So off, that is wrong, and the correct option will the correction will be between. So this is the correct answer. Okay, so I hope you have learned, or you have thoroughly learned the grammar section, because I have already uploaded so many videos related to grammar section of different sample papers. So I hope you like this video also, and you have really learned, and this will be really helpful for you to prepare for your board exams. So if you like the video, sorry, yes, if you like the video, please share it with your other friends also, so that they may also get help. And don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are first on this channel. So thank you, bye, see you in the next